5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 400 over 2 crests, 100. After that, we will be braking for a left 5 into right 2, repeat right 2. Here comes the roller coaster. All right,
yeah, baby.
Double caution, braking into left 5. Braking into left 5, into right 2. Repeat into right 2, 100. Double caution, right 5, 100. Left 5, tightens 3 at tree, and holding.
Yeah, your left 5 is way under.
I know. I just want to give it to you soon. Here's left 5, tightens 3 at fence, and right 4.
She's loose.
And a left 4.
Okay, this is where we cut off last time, and she did it fine, so...
Okay, 40 over tarmac after the left 4 here.
These guys are okay.
Yep. Left 5 over crest, 200. I'm gonna wait for the left 5 to give you the next note. Oh, watch deer.
Oh, yep.
We're good.
Almost pulled a Ken block here.
Okay, right 5, 200 after the left 5 here.
This is the braking.
This is the right 5, 200. That was right 5, 200, sorry.
Yep.
Left 6 past trees.
Yep.
So left 6 past trees, 50.
Yeah.
Right 5, 80. Right 6 short, 70.
Just taking it easy on. Oh.
Yeah, you're good. Okay, right 6, repeat right 6 short, 70. Followed by left 6 long, down, 30. This is our left 6 long down.
Thank you.
Next is right 6 opens, tightens, 50. Okay, here's our right 6, followed by double caution, left 3 minus over bridge, 50. After the bridge, right 5, 40. Okay, after this right 5, left 5 opens long, 100. Flat left over crest, and left right 6, 150, holding. Right 6 past trees into left 6 down. And
can you repeat that?
Right 6 past trees into left 6 down and stay right over crest, 40.
The trees are over there?
Yep. So this is into left 6 down and stay right over crest, 40.
Yeah.
Right 6, 80.
Yeah.
Followed by right 5 into left 5, 60. This is our right 5. Okay, after the left 5 and 60, we have a flat left 100. Followed by flat left and mid over crest into line over 150, holding. Okay, this is mid over crest into line over 150. Followed by caution, tank, left 6 over crest and right 4, 80. This is our left 6 over crest and right 4. Okay, here comes the 80. Oh, here comes the right 4, then the 80.
Yeah, right 4.
Crest into right 5 opens up. And left 6, 50. Right 6 short, 70. This is our right 5 opens up. We haven't hit the left 6 yet. This is the left 6, 50. followed by right 6 short 70.
Okay, next.
Left 6 70 through trees. That's our left 6. Followed by stay right over crest 50. After the 50, we have a flat left 100. That's a flat left, all right. Okay, 100. Right, left 6 short, followed by stay left over crest 40. Here's our crest. After the 40, right 6 into left 5, 50. Here's our right 6. Okay, after the 50, left 5 short into right 5, 80 over crest. Right, left 6 short, 50. Right 5 into caution, left 4 over crest, finish.
All right.
Nice job. Really nice job.
Yeah, lovely notes too. I love the repeated and stuff. That was perfect.
That was really good.
All right.
And we got the whole stage. Let's go.